Good morning. Today we are in Malvern. We're doing a spot of geocaching in the area, and then all well and good we are going to go up the Malvern Hills. At the moment we're at Great Malvern railway station trying to get clues for a geocache. How you doing?
The first cache is based on an interpretation board on platform 1.
Ooh. Platform 1. Let's go in search of some clues. Okay, found the answers that we need. On to the next one. There's the Malvern Hills in the distance. And hopefully, all well and good, weather permitting, we will be going up there afterwards. We just need to find these clues for the geocaches. It is a nice railway station, isn't it? The Malverns are in Worcestershire, and we come here probably on average about once a year to go up the hills and enjoy some stunning views. We went up the Malvern Hills a couple of years ago for New Year's Eve and had an amazing time. The nighttime views with the fireworks were incredible. Elaine's discovered another information board with him.
You'll help with the correct answers.
Do you?
Yeah, the Malvern Hills are over how many million years old? Oh, 650.
Where does it say that? Oh yes!
6 million years old.
Wow.
How
See?
do they know?
You learn something on our vlogs. Great Malvern route to the hills. I hope so today, it'd be great.
It's looking good. 2 vlogs on the map.
Cool.
Let's go.
How many to go?
12.
12. We do like a nice bridge to walk over. There she goes. This is a lovely park just at the base of Malvern Theatre, which we're heading to now. Well done, Elaine, for finding all the clues. Then we're going to head back to the car, drive over to a car park, and then we're going to go up the Malverns. And if you can hear the bell, it's now noon. We just parked up in the west of the Malvern Hills. And now slowly but surely we're going to start heading up. At all? Oh. So we're not going right to the top of the Malvern Hills today. This circular walk takes us around the lower part of the west of Malvern. I was looking forward to going to the top. Elaine worked out all the clues for the geocaches. So we've got a circular walk plotted. We'll still get to see some good views. They say there's gold in them hills. Even pointing us in the right direction. It says so. Enjoying the views. Lovely. Mid-December and it's really mild, isn't it? No gloves equals mild. Still got my woolly hat on now. We are currently walking alongside the Malvern Hills. This geocaching route today is taking us alongside. Back in the 1800s, Malvern had about 200 of these street lamps dotted all over the place. Don't know how many there are nowadays, but they don't make them like they used to. It's a very pink garage. Something out of Hansel and Gretel. Oh yes. Pink garage, pink house. How cool is that? Look at that for some stunning views. That's nice. Away from the maddening crowd. Enjoying a bit of sloppy mud. From here we have an awesome view of the mountains. Some people at the top. Parkwood. Oh, okay. Very good. You don't know anything about kilns? You do now. So I can see the poking hole above and the grate below. Right there. I'm going to head up here next. But in 1832, guess what? Yeah, nothing happened. Let's do the zigzag. Zig. Zag. Zig. Zag. Made it. Well done. Okay, back at the car. Nice walk along west side of the Malverns. Thanks for joining us. And we shall see you on the next one. Say bye, Elaine.
Bye.